are in Rome. Mitch is taking a shower, so I thought I'd do this now. Best time. But yeah, we made it to Rome. It is like, what time is it here? But we are gonna go out. We are busy people. We do a lot of stuff right when we get places. But yeah, back home it's like 6 maybe in the morning, 5 or 6 in the morning. So jet lag's kind of setting in, but it's okay. I'm kind of used to this as much as I do travel. So it's awesome. So I just changed into just like a dress. I'm gonna put some Converse on, got my hat of course. It's like heaven.